Hi friends, today we're going to read and learn about the life cycle of plants. People begin life as a baby. They grow and develop and get bigger and stronger. As they grow into adults, many people have babies and continue the cycle of life. A life cycle shows how living things grow, change, and reproduce during their lifetime. Plants have a life cycle just like people. Most plants begin their life as a seed. The seeds have a hard covering called a seed coat that protects what's inside. The part inside of the seed coat is what grows into a new plant. Seeds are planted in the soil. So this, boys and girls, is the new plant. This outer part is called the seed coat. As time passes, the seed begins to sprout roots. The roots grow down into the soil. The stem begins to grow up and sprout out of the soil. If the sprout gets enough water, air, sunlight, and nutrients from the soil, it will continue to grow. So you've got the roots growing down out of the seed, and then up comes the stem. As the sprout grows, it turns into a seedling. A seedling is a small plant. With sunlight, air, water, and nutrients, the seedling grows bigger. It grows into an adult plant. The adult plant produces seeds or fruit that will one day grow into new plants. Seeds that are made by the adult plant are then spread by the wind, water, animal, birds, and people. Some of those seeds will then grow into a new plant, and the life cycle will begin again. Life cycles show how living things grow and change during their life. Now, boys and girls, if you look at this, a life cycle, it's called a cycle because it happens over and over and over again in the same order. And this is shown like a circle. So let's look. The first thing you have in the life cycle is you have your seed. The first thing that happens when you plant your seed into the ground is roots come out and grow into the earth to anchor your plant and to suck up nutrients out of the earth. So you see what's happening here is your seed, the roots are growing down into the earth. Then a stem begins to poke out of the dirt and becomes a seedling, which is a small plant. With the right combination of air, water, sunlight, rain, and space, these plants will grow into big plants, producing flowers or seeds that will, through wind and animals and insects, be carried off and planted again as new seeds. And the cycle begins again, creating new plants. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the life cycle of a plant.